What's up guys, how's everyone doing? My name is Sebastian. I'm the founder and also the main signal provider for Pitmaster. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a breakdown of GJ, the trade we just sent out right now in the VIP group. You guys can take a look. This was actually the trade which is 10 right now, and it hit for our final TP for 100 pips. So far this week has been a very profitable week with GJ and along other pairs. So right now we're just going to focus on GJ, and I'm going to show you guys also the VIP group how we did this week. This over here is the VIP group. This was a trade that we just sent out right now. We hit GU today for 175 pips right now, and actually like an hour ago we hit our final TP with USD CHF for 200 plus pips. So far this week has been a very profitable week. You guys can see all the wins over here. I do believe we had at least like 1 or 2 losses, very small losses. So over here GJ, let's start off with the weekly time frame. So what do you guys notice in the weekly time frame with GJ? So if you guys look at GJ in the weekly time frame, you guys can see that price had a very strong push to the upside, right? What do I mean by that? You guys can see that price created this high, low, and a higher high, right? So whenever price either creating higher highs and higher lows or lower lows and lower highs, we're always gonna have a retracement, right? So what I mean by retracement, so whenever price does this, right, a high and a higher high, we do break above the structure, right? So we did break above this area of resistance, right? You guys can see we did break above the resistance, right? So whenever price does that, we do expect for price to create a higher low to then continue to the upside. That is exactly what price did at this area. Price created this very nice higher low, retest, resistance, rejected that area, and continued to the upside. You go down to a daily time frame. This over here was actually an area of 161.550 where I actually took a buy. So you guys can see that price did pull up to this area, to this high, came back down, retested that area, resistance, and created another higher high, right? So price does pull up to this area again. We do reject that area and struggle to break above. So meaning price is now having a retracement. So we did struggle with breaking above, so we're having a pullback down here. So this over here was actually the area where I did send out my limit, my buy limit. Why? Because again, we're now creating the higher low and retesting the broken structure of resistance along the daily EMA, right? Now, going down to the 4-hour time frame all the way down to the 1-hour time frame, what do you guys notice in the big picture? You guys can see that price is now shifting direction, right? So you guys can see that price went from creating higher highs and higher lows to now creating lower lows and lower high. So today trade on the sell that we did send out, I did actually have 2 plans for today. So let's start off with the 1-hour time frame and show you guys what I was looking for tonight. So first of all, if you guys look in the 1-hour time frame where we took our buy, you guys can see that price was pushing to the upside, very nice, creating a structure, a higher high and a higher low, right? So price went from high, low, higher high, higher low to higher high. We do break above this area of support, resistance, right? So I had 3 plans for tonight. The first one was either wait for price to break above and had a nice retest to continue this high, or we waited for price to come and create a higher low over here, retest support, resistance along the EMA to then continue long, right? So this over here was my 2 long position, my 2 potential long position if price does respect that area. And then my third one was if the London session does break under over here and has a very strong candle breaking under, then that will be my entry to continue to sell. So I waited for price, right? So you go down to the 5-minute time frame. I was waiting to see what price does. So I don't really like trading in the box. Like what I mean in the box, like in a range, I like trading when price does break above or break below. So I was waiting to see what price does around this area. So around London session, price actually hit our area of interest over here. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna be patient to see what price does, how price open, if it breaks under or it breaks below. No, if it breaks below or respects that area. My bad, guys. So let's see what price does over here. So I waited for London session. Boom, the London session opened, and you see that candle right there. So that's exactly the candle that I entered again because we did break below support, right? That's the exact area that I was waiting for to see if we do reject that area. The 15-minute also closed very bearish. So that is exactly why I took my entry signal and price hit our final TP for 100 pips. So it was a very nice trade with GJ today. We also took this GJ sell like 2 days ago. Very similar setup as well. I was either waiting for break and retest above or break and retest below. We got the below entry and then price hit 100 pips. So far this week has been very profitable with GJ. So we're gonna keep killing it, guys. We also did kill a lot of signals with GU as well, 175 pips, USD CHF for 200 plus pips, NCD CAD 100 plus pips, and then other more trades. So that's pretty much it, guys. I do this every single day in the VIP group. I do send out signals, breakdown videos, and also sharp breakdowns. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.